So I read the complaint, at least I skimmed the complaint. I can't say I studied it carefully. So lay out for us exactly on whose behalf you're suing and for what.
Well, we're suing on behalf of a class of investors who purchased Tesla stock between the minute of Elon Musk's tweet on August 7th that funding was secured and the close of trading on August 8th. And the damages measure there essentially would be the inflated price that those investors who were purchasing the securities on those days paid as a result of the market run-up that the false statements by Musk caused on the exchange and the trading of Tesla stock.
Have you done a back-of-the-envelope calculation and to see how many people actually did buy the stock during that period of time? Because it's a pretty limited period of time.
Sure, it's a limited period of time, but volume was incredibly high on both of those days, again, as a result of the market news. So volume was almost 4 times the running average on the 7th and almost 3 times the running average on the 8th. On the 7th alone, $11 billion in market clearing trades in Tesla stock. So even to take the percentage of damages from those purchase prices that would be a result of the difference in price as a result of the tweets and the various public statements, and it's a significant number even for the short class period.
And take us through exactly the legal theory. If in fact there is liability, or what would it be based on? Is this a securities law violation, 10b-5?
Yeah, this is a federal securities law violation. You know, live by the Twitter, die by the Twitter. Public statements on behalf of the company are public statements on behalf of the company. They have to be accurate. And in fact, back in 2013, Tesla advised investors that Elon Musk would be tweeting about company news, and that investors who wanted up-to-the-minute information about the company could follow his Twitter account. So the fact that these statements were made publicly and that they were false and knowingly false when made, or that they were at least made with a reckless disregard for the truth, is the source of liability here. And of course, all the reporting that we've seen subsequent to those initial statements bears out pretty conclusively that funding was indeed not secured, and that the company is in the very early stages right now of trying to secure it.